the following counties in Illinois: Cass, Mason, Menard, and Morgan. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 a.m. Wednesday to 3 a.m. Thursday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 7 inches. Where? Portions of central and west central Illinois. When? From 6 a.m. Wednesday to 3 a.m. Thursday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will impact the Wednesday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained on the internet at www.gettingaroundillinois.com.